itong pag-top ng dalawang Tulfos has anything to do with kumbaga kaya sila nandyan, hindi kaya yung mga tao na uumay dito sa Duterte Marcos feud going on? Do you think that's why they are at the top? And the others who are affiliated with the two camps, are obviously nasa ibaba nila.
That's very possible kasi this is anecdotal pero sometimes I hear people on the ground parang sinasabi nila, wala na bang iba? I mean, parang hindi masiguro sa nauumay pero yun nga, parang Marcos or Duterte, parang syempre may feud sila ongoing right now pero may mga nagtatanong, wala bang ibang choice, like a third choice, gano'n? I mean, sa US, wala silang choice more or less. Democrat or Republican. Independent no, tumatakbo. Pero I don't know kung may, I'm not an expert in US history. I don't know kung may independent na ever nanalo ng US president. Meron mga nananalo for, I guess, for congressman or senator. Pero generally, parang, yun nga.
Partido talaga.
Kung naumay sila sa wala silang choice eh. Kung yung mga iba naumay kay Trump, pero at the same time, hindi naman progressive yung views nila. So, di ba? Parang, or mas progressive, mas libertarian sila or something like that. So, so depende sa kumbaga, hindi lang naman siya binary na left or right, parang ganun, or conservative or liberal. Minsan talaga, you have to have another choice. And ganun din sa, sa Philippine politics right now. Marcos or Duterte, and a lot are saying, isn't there a different option? And there are options naman eh. Baka nga hindi pa lumalabas.
Sa surface.
Ayan. Or baka nakikita na natin.